So when I asked the questions the other day of what everybody's biggest makeup problem was, so many people said eyeliner, so I'm going to give you some tips right now. Always use a base and a shadow before you put any kind of eyeliner on, even if it's just a powder, because the oils in your eyelids will make it crease throughout the day, and that's why you get that little black line. So I use our light medium concealer and just put it all over your eyelid. So even if you're not going to do eyeshadow that day, always just do this at least on your lid. And then I'm just going to use a skin tone eyeshadow and put it on my lid where the eyeliner would go. So what that does is gives it a dry, flat base so it doesn't absorb into any oils. This is the Luxe Cream Liner and the angled brow liner brush. Just put it right on the tip. Make sure you kind of clean off the ends. I like to start going down because you want it to be thicker on the outside corner. So I'm just dabbing it into my eyelid first to get that initial line. And then you can build on that. Instead of doing one long line like that, because that's when you can mess up and it can get messy. And then you always want to make it thinner on the inside corner. And then you can build on how thick you want to make it after that. And then if you want to add a wing, then after you do the straight line, go back, start slow, and slowly pull out your wing. Make sure you look at it as you're going, because if you do too much at once, then you're screwed. I don't like a big wing, I just like a little wing. But you can build on it from that. And then however big you want to make it, just keep drawing it out and then make it thicker on the top when you bring it down. Little things, but they will help you a lot. I can do my eyeliner at night and sleep in it, and it will look exactly the same the next morning if you do it like this. I hope that helped.